Floating water feels just right. Keep you safe in the pool and you'll feel so alive. Life jackets keep you safe. In water we find our place. Feel happy and alive. Swim with joy as we dive. Pool drains are not for play. Stay away and be safe. Not near drains, we can play. Stay safe now and every day. No touching, stay on ground. Safety first all around. Please avoid, don't go near. Safety rules we all hold dear. Just play fair, share the pool, show you care. Jump safely, don't cause pain. Kindness rules, very plain. Be cool, don't cause a fuss. Fun together, that's a plus. No shoving, let's agree. Play in peace, you and me. Walking slow round the pool, no rushing, that's the rule. Take your time, step with care, no running. Please beware, walk steady and don't race. Please keep safe in the space. Walk calmly and don't rush. No complaining, please hush, hush. Check first before you dive. Feet go first, stay alive. No head dives, just be wise. Shallow waters, watch your size. Jump with care, feet down low. Check the depth before you go.